First of all, make sure Python installed on your system. If you did not already, then go to python.org, and here download Python, and install. After that, go to your Windows search box, and type cmd, open command prompt. Or else you can press Windows plus, or key, and type cmd, click OK. And here, type pip install Pygame, and hit enter. Now, we have successfully installed Pygame. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe and share our videos to your friends, and I will see you in the next video guys. Thank you for watching.